All right, everybody, welcome back to Auto Auction Rehabs, where we are in Dale, Texas at the Austin branch of IAA. First of all, a shout out to the fine folks here at IAA who were very friendly when I walked up for the very first time. No problems whatsoever. Thank them very much for allowing me to come out here and do what I do out here. And thank you to the corporate office for setting this all up. I really appreciate everybody, very much so. And let's get started with the first one on my list. There we are. Look at this. This was an awesome car. And you know what? It could be again. There's some fairly simple stuff that we're seeing here that could be replaced. You know, obviously a wheel, lower A-arm, an upper A-arm, so some suspension stuff, a fender. I don't think the hood is an issue, but there you go. That's why you might want to look at this one. This is a 2019 Corvette with collision damage, obviously. Z06 supercharged LT4. What a beautiful car. You know what? As bad as this looks right now, it really isn't. You could fix it. You could absolutely fix it. The front fascia here is popped out. That's an easy fix. All right. I don't know what they call this color. If it's, you used to call it hugger orange, but I don't know what it is now. You got a couple of flat tires. Well, no, they're not flat. They're just maybe a little bit low, but there's they're very small sidewall on them. Back looks really good. The exhaust tips are intact. And dead as a doornail. Can't get into it, unfortunately. The driver's airbag is blown, not the passenger's. It says right here, locked. So, not much else to say about the Corvette because we can't get in it, but that's 650 horsepower right there. Pure Chevrolet muscle. Yep, I like it, but I've already got a couple projects I'm working on. As a matter of fact, I need to get back to them pretty soon here, so we'll go through a couple more quick videos, head back home. So what do we have here? What is it? What is that? Huh, it's a pretty fancy car. SO4 quattroponic, no, quattroparte. So this is a 2017 Maserati Quattroporte. Probably saying that wrong. Let's see if it's open so we can take a look inside. It is, and it has power. Ooh, and it is really clean. So I'm not going to get in there with my muddy feet. But what I am going to do is slide in there so we can take a look at the dash. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now this is, I'm going to say this is real wood. Yep, absolutely. Very nice. Harman Kardon sound system. Yeah. There's the light switches. Lights in here. Kind of weird. It looks like maybe some dust or dirt got up in there. But this one I think has been detailed. I think this floor mat, yeah, this is a floor mat. Wow. That's a significant floor mat. But that'll definitely keep your carpet clean. It definitely will. Huh. Very small cups. Cup holders for very small cups. And then we have another couple of cup holders in there. And power source. And then here's your driver's view. Nice leather appointed door panels. Power liftgate obstacle detected. Okay. And the power paddle shifters. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. If you're interested in a Maserati, you know where to come. IAA in Dale, Texas. Look it up. It'll be on the list shortly. This is an upcoming vehicle. 2017. Let me go open the other door. Maybe the dash will illuminate and we can see how many miles are on it. Let's see if we can see how many miles are on it. Yes, 45,370 miles. This is what it looks like lit up. Oh, it just went away. Oh well. And you got your push to start. Wow, very nice. And it's a 4-door model. Let's see what it looks like back here. You know what? You actually have room back here. Unlike some other sports cars that boast a 4-door, this one has room. You could sit comfortably back here. Good on you, Maserati. Wow. All that leather. Very good. Let's see, is it leather on the top too? Alcantara? Yep, sure enough. And you have your screen shades. And the window goes up. Very, very nice. Well, I see something else over here that I want to take a look at. Got a car coming up behind me. So let's go over here and take a look at this truck. This is a Dodge Ram Longhorn. It is a 2019 3500. Now, if you're looking for a tow rig for one of them big fifth wheels that we were looking at in a previous video, this will do it. This will do it. 3500 heavy duty with the turbo diesel Cummins. Absolutely. Absolutely. It's got the bed liner. It's also got what we call the puck system. And what the puck system is these are like pucks. And what you do is you take your fifth wheel hitch and it drops down into those holes that are cut into the bed. And on the other side is where the fifth wheel brackets mount. So you basically just drop that in, turn the handle to lock it, and your fifth wheel hitch is locked in. This is a big puck system. This is for a huge fifth wheel hitch, because the one that would be going in my truck is not spaced out quite as far. I know that. So, of course, you're all set up for towing back here. Let's see if we have any obvious damage over here. It does seem to list to the left a little bit, and that's because it has a front tire that's flat on the left. You have to spend twice as much for tires in the rear, but that's where you get your 1-ton status from, your 1-ton capacity. And see, we've got the flat here, and that's pointed straight forward. Let's check out the other one, see what's going on there. And that is straight forward. It's low as well. You know what? I don't see any significant issues with this. So if you're looking for a tow rig, this might be one to come check out. The 2019 Ram 3500 with, that can't be right, 16,781 miles? No. That means it sat for a long time. Well, I don't know. Look at the door handle. Okay. It might say 16,000 on the odometer. I'm going to tell you that's not correct. But I could be lying. The brake pedal doesn't look like it's got 16,000 miles on it. I mean, more than let me rephrase that. The brake pedal doesn't show a lot of wear. So that could indicate that it might just have 16,787 miles on it. But if it was 116,000, there's a digital spot for that to show on the truck. Oh, the display has gone away. Let's close the door. All right, and we'll open it back up. And oh, that's funny. You see how that spun around like a lottery wheel? 16,787. And then this is a nice display. Let's see if I can get that to come back on again. Huh. It came on a minute ago and now it's off. Anyway, there's your 4 high, 4 low, and 2-wheel drive switches, and then you've got some switches down here. I don't know if those are the upfitter switches or not. Possibly. Your auxiliaries for your phones and whatnot. A CD player. Wow, didn't think they were putting CD players in anything anymore. Very interesting. That's for your glasses. Oh, you have oh, what is it called? Not Cirrus. Anyway, you can get assistance by pressing the button. Well, I don't know what Dodge uses as far as the system goes. I don't know what they call it. This is a really nice steering wheel. It's got like the faux wood on here, and then leatherish material on here. It just concerns me though, with 16,000 miles, the way that door card looks. I don't know. I don't know. It could be. Well, that's real wood, I'm gonna say. It doesn't feel like plastic. Laramie Longhorn Edition. Yep. Lots of storage in the console. Lots of storage. So if you're looking for a tow rig, this might be one to consider. I'm not doing well with hood releases today. Let's see if I can find the hood release. That's your parking brake. There's the hood. Let's take a look at that turbo diesel. Hopefully the hood doesn't spring way up, because I don't know if I'd be able to reach it to bring it back down. Give me a second here. There we go. Look how clean this is. So yeah, 16,000 miles sounds, I'd believe 16,000 miles looking at this. It's pretty darn clean. Pretty darn clean. Huh. I don't know much about turbo diesels. I just do know that they do run for a long time and they're fairly expensive to maintain and repair. But they've got incredible amounts of torque. So if you need to pull a 40-foot fifth wheel, this would be a truck to do it with. It's got the dual battery system in it. Huge air intake. Yeah, this is all air intake here. It comes out into the grill, so it scoops up all that air. Yep, very nice, very nice. All right, well, There we go. That's 3. The clouds seem to be coming back. It was starting to brighten up a little bit, but now the clouds are back again. So we're gonna hurry up with this video. We'll start another one here again. And I thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Share with your friends. Let me know what you think. Drop me a comment down below. That's always very helpful. Positive or not so much. It's all right. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. We'll see you again real soon on the next one.